Good morning viewers. Hearty welcome to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is Santosh. Hope you are enjoying all my videos right from many days. Previously we discussed various MSET and IIT JEE mains and intermediate problems along with the 10th standard. Now we are going to discuss various Olympiad examination problems connected with the regular syllabus. So now let us start our topic. So linear equations of single variable, nothing but it is also known as simple equations. Okay, so linear equations in one variable are linear equations of single variable. So given that the solution of the equation 3a minus x is equal to x by 2 plus 3 is 4, then we have to find out the value of minus a whole square minus 2a. So after seeing the question, the beginners of the IIT foundation or Olympia students might get confused. Actually it's very easy question. They know how to solve the simple equation in generally basically. Now along with this there is the additional thing, after solving find the value of minus a whole square minus 2a. So let us start now. Let 3a minus x is equal to x by 2 plus 3. Mark as equation 1. Given that the solution of the equation is 4, since 4 is a solution of 1, implies we know that the solution are nothing but root, it satisfies the given equation. So x is equal to 4 implies, so 3a minus 4 is equal to here 4 by 2 plus 3. So 3a minus 4 nothing but here 2 plus 3. Finally here 3a is equal to 5 plus 4, minus 4 transposing to that side. You see what? 3a is equal to 9 implies a is equal to 9 by 3. Use you, the value of a is 3. But they asked to find out the value of minus a whole square minus 2a. Previously what you have done in your regular syllabus or general mathematics syllabus of the various board examination, just they say to solve the equation to get the solution or the root. But here the root or the solution is given. Under these circumstances you have to find out the value of minus a whole square minus 2a. So to get the value of this one we have to get the value of a. Value of a can be obtained by substituting x is equal to 4 in the given equation. Why? Here it is given that 4 is the solution of the given equation. So here we got the value of a. Next step, therefore minus a whole square minus 2a, we have to determine its value. So a is nothing but minus 3. So minus 3 whole square minus 2 into 3 gives you 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Hence minus a whole square minus 2a is equal to 3. Once again, given that the solution of the equation is, this equation is 4, here the variable is x and a is a parameter. So find the value of the find the value of the expression minus a whole square minus 2a. So since 4 is the root, we have to substitute in the given equation in the place of x to get the value of a. Again, but still the problem is incomplete because they asked to find out the value of minus a whole square minus 2a. So minus a whole square minus 2a, nothing but the value of a is 3, replace in the given expression to get the value of the expression. Finally we will get the value, it's nothing but 3. So in this way, to get the value of minus a whole square minus 2a, substituting x is equal to 4, at this place we will get the value of a is 3 and substituting a is equal to 3 in the given expression, we will get the required one. In this way we can overcome the anxiety of the problem. Linear equations of single variable, very important for 7th and 8th standard. This problem not only important for your Olympiad examinations, this is a beginners for 7th and 8th class. Cream students, at the same time, it is also applicable for various competitive examinations what you are going to write in the future. Dear viewers, after watching the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.